This video is for section 1.2 homework problem number 9. It asks whether the function g of x is continuous at x equals 8, and this is a piecewise defined function. Notice that it has a different value for x not equal to 8 than it does for x equal to 8. Really, with these questions about continuity, we really have three criteria. The first one is f of 8, in this case, must be defined. The second one is that the limit as x approaches 8 of f of x must be defined. And the third one is they have to match. So let's take this one at a time. For criterion A, our function says that g of x is equal to 16 at x equals 8. This just means that g of 8 is equal to 16. So that's fine. Now let's do the limit. The limit as x goes to 8 of g of x. Over here on the right, I wrote f of x, but this problem calls the function g. The limit as x goes to 8 of g of x. Remember, limits don't care what happens at the point, so I'm just going to use this top part of the definition to compute this limit. It's the limit as x goes to 8 of x squared minus 64 over x minus 8. The first thing I notice is I can't plug in my 8. But the second thing I notice is the numerator can be factored. So I know this limit is equal to the limit as x approaches 8 of x plus 8 times x minus 8 over x minus 8. Since I don't care what happens at 8, I can cancel the x minus 8 on the top and bottom. I get the limit as x goes to 8 of x plus 8, since x plus 8 times x minus 8 over x minus 8 is equal to x plus 8 as long as x is not equal to 8. Now this x plus 8 is just a Pappy polynomial, so I can plug in my 8 and get 16. So I've just figured out the limit as x goes to 8 of g of x is 16. So I've satisfied my criterion B. For C, I want to check if g of 8 is equal to the limit as x approaches 8 of g of x. In other words, is the behavior near 8, does it make sense with the behavior at 8? Is anything weird happening at 8, like a jump or a gap? Earlier I figured out that g of 8 was 16, and I figured out this limit was 16 just now. So yes, they do match. All of my criteria are satisfied. So g of x is continuous at x equals 8. There's a general moral here about piecewise functions. Piecewise functions are continuous as long as the pieces line up. That is, if they have no holes or gaps. That's it.